Pocitelj is located on the banks of the Neretva River in Bosnia and Herzegovina. This enchanting village is a hidden gem with origins tracing back to the 14th century. Built by King Tvrtko I in 1444, it was designed to defend against invasions. In the late 15th century, Pocitelj came under Ottoman rule. The Ottomans transformed it into an important administrative and cultural center, leaving behind architectural masterpieces that define its skyline to this day. You'll find a towering fortress perched high on a hill, offering breathtaking views of the river and valley below. With its thick stone walls, the fortress served as a crucial defense point for centuries. The village is full of stunning examples of Ottoman architecture, including a beautiful mosque built in 1563. Its slender minaret and elegant arches are characteristic of the period's Islamic art. Pocitelj's stone houses, with their oriental courtyards, reflect traditional Bosnian residential styles, perfectly preserved over the years. The Sahat Kula Clock Tower adds to the town's charm, once serving as a watchtower to guard the valley. Beyond its architecture, Pocitelj is also known for its artistic spirit. The village has long been a hub for artists who find inspiration in its historical ambiance and natural beauty. Today, Pocitelj stands as a national monument of Bosnia and Herzegovina, offering visitors a unique journey back in time. Whether you're climbing the fortress for a panoramic view, exploring the cobblestone streets, or admiring the Ottoman buildings, Pocitelj promises a captivating experience.